Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create email marketing with Stan Store. If you're not really familiar with Stan Store yet, basically it's a platform that allows you to sell lots of digital product like creating courses or maybe some online counseling, etc. There is a lot of benefit that you can enjoy with Stan Store, and one of the things that you can also do with Stan Store is creating an email marketing. So if you haven't created your account yet and you would like to give a chance for Stan Store to help you with your email marketing, all you have to do is go to Stan Store website and then start creating your own account. Now once you got your account created, you want to go to the more section here and you want to find this email flows option. So you're going to want to turn that on, and you can click on the email flows in order to start creating your own email marketing. So what are email flows? Basically, with email flows, you'll be able to automatically send your customer drip emails after a purchase. So let's say that you're selling some sort of courses and you want to give them an upsells for your next classes or for your maybe any other product that is related to the first product that they have bought. You can actually use email flows in order to give them knowledge about the product that you're trying to upsell to them, or just some sort of follow-up email and maybe some thank you email or follow-up instruction. And there's also a lot of other things that you can do with email flows. Now you would just have to know that in order to be able to enjoy email flows, you will need to at least get their pro plan. And don't worry, Stan will give you 14 days free trial, so you can go straightly for the pro plan with the free trial so that you will be able to try out these features. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on get started, and we want to start by inserting our email address. So it says here that Stan Store are legally required to show your business address or your PO box in all your marketing email. So go ahead and insert your data right here. Next, you're going to get a sample email flow that is automatically created by Stan Store. And don't worry, you don't have to use this exact same flow. You can obviously create your own by clicking this add flow button right here, and you can start naming your flow and creating your own flow. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and explain how the email flow will work for nurturing and upsells. So here are all of the email that will be sent to your customer when you're trying to nurture and upsells your product. The first one, or the first step that your customer will have to do, is going to purchase your product. So this flow is going to happen once your customer bought a product from you. So here we can see that after a minute, your customer will get this sample welcome and intro email. And if I click on it, you'll be able to see the body of the email as well as the subject. So if you would like to use this template, all you have to do is change the email subject. For example, you want to name it welcome to, and then you can add your business name after it. And you can even change the timing. Maybe instead of sending the email directly after the purchase, you can wait for a day, or maybe you can wait for like several hours, and you can just type in the amount of time you want to put here. And then if you would like to personalize your email subject, you can also add personalized. For example, you want to add my name here, so whatever name you put on your profile or on your business, it's going to show here on the email subject. And here we will got the email body. So it says that I'm so excited for you to take your first step on your journey, etc. Again, if you would like to change anything here, you can just simply highlight on the part you want to change and type in the one that you want to put inside of the email. And we can see that we already got a customization created over here. So the email is going to directly put the customer name as well as the product name that they purchase. If you'd like to add some more personalization, you can always click on this button right here, or if you would like to add some sort of banner or some sort of logo to your email, you can also upload it by clicking on the symbols like so. So that is going to be the sample welcome and intro email, and then the second one, they're going to be getting the feedback as well as reiteration of download email. And this one is basically just a follow-up email to make sure that we get the feedback from your customer. So these emails are sent in hope that we will get a feedback about the product that they just bought, so that we know if there's anything we need to improve, or maybe we can upsell another product that could be related to the product that they bought. Next, there is a template for a sample case study email. So if maybe your customer gave you some sort of complaint about something, there's some struggle that happens, and you can create some points on trying to handle that problem. So this is just an example for a case study that might happen. But if things like this did not happen at all, you can always not send this email. And next, we also have the sample for upsell email, as well as sample for discount code email. For example, if you'd like to give a discount for maybe some customer who bought your product and then subscribe to whatever subscription you create, you can use this discount email as your template. If you would like to try to send this email so that you know how it will look like when your customer receive it, you can also do so by simply clicking this test send. Some tips that I will give is, obviously, if you would like to use a template, make sure that you personalize it. And what I meant by that is maybe you would like to add some catchphrase that is going to show that it is you who are trying to communicate to your customer and not just some bot. Or maybe you can add your name after every email, or you can again add some banner or some logo. That is going to be such a great change, so that it does not seem too stoic, and the email will seem like more personal instead of it's just a bot trying to communicate with other people. So that is the samples that we will get. And if you'd like to add your flow, again, all you have to do is click on this add flow option. So let's try and create one flow. For example, I want this to be, let's say, just some follow-up flow. And I'm just going to choose this for all product. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And here we'll be able to create a new mail. And I like that it already gave me some templates. So basically, this is how you can do it. You can just keep on adding email until you're satisfied with the flow that you're trying to build. Again, all you have to do is highlight the part you want to change, and then you can just retype your own. And then you can go ahead and click on publish to make sure that that email is within the flow of the email flow that you're trying to create. And if you're done, you can just click on I'm done. But if not, you can just add another email. And that's basically it. That is how you can do email marketing with StanStore. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.